Hi, my name's Steve Riley. I am here at Jumeirah College in Jumeirah in Dubai, and I'm doing a video giving you some tips about how to hold the racket and the grip. Very important. If you have the right grip when you play from the beginning, you'll improve quicker and you won't have to go backwards to change your grip if you've got the wrong grip to get the right grip. It will take you longer to improve. So the first thing, you're going to hold the racket between your thumb and your first finger. Let it dangle this way. Then you go higher and higher and then hold the bat. You can see the V of my hand is on the left side, and I have a slight trigger finger, spreading my fingers over the back of the bat, which gives it support. If the ball comes here, I've got more support there than here. It's a bit weaker. So that's the grip. It's generally called a Eastern forehand grip, shake hands grip, chopper grip in tennis. In paddle, there's generally only one grip. You might do other grips when you get a bit more advanced. In tennis, you've got multiple grips: Western backhand, semi-Western forehand, Western forehand, volley grips, kick serve grips, many different grips. But paddle, we're just going to make it simple, one grip. Next thing would be hold the racket always in the same way. I tend to use two fingers there and a thumb, which supports the racket, has the racket head up. Worst thing would be you have your racket head down. Racket head up and your left hand or your non-dominant hand supports it. If you're left-handed, obviously it's the opposite way around. That supports the racket or the bat and enables you to not have to hold it and squeeze. You know, when in tennis Roger Federer spins the racket around, that's to relax his muscles. Okay, so you're trying to not squeeze tight. If you think 0 would be no grip, 5 would be really tight. When you're waiting, it's like between 1 and 2, and when you hit, between 3 and 4, not too tight. You don't need muscles, you need momentum and technique for a shot. Okay, so we've talked about the head up. If the ball's low, you don't drop your racket head. The grip, V of your hand there, very important. If you do that from the beginning, you'll be able to play the correct shot with the correct spin. You won't be doing topspin and you won't be playing open. You'll be playing sideways, which is what you should be doing, and putting backspin on the ball. And you'll have a lot more better results and you'll enjoy it more. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, please give us a thumbs up. If you want to subscribe, please subscribe here. If you want to see more in the series of what we do, up here. And if you want to learn about all the general things we do on all our channels, go down below.